Welcome to the channel. Today we are diving into the world of text-to-speech models with a brand new, incredibly lightweight model that you can run on almost any device. It's called Kitten TTS Nano, and it's a game changer for anyone who needs high-quality voice synthesis without a powerful GPU. Let's look at what's text-to-speech, or TTS. It takes as input a piece of text and generates an output. Have you ever wanted to generate realistic speech from text, but were held back by hardware limitations or the need for expensive cloud plans for services like 11 Labs or Cartesia AI? Well, today we are looking at a fantastic new open source model called Kitten TTS. This thing is a beast in a tiny package. At just 15 million parameters, it is one of the smallest, high-quality TTS models available. Now let's talk about what makes Kitten TTS so special. As I mentioned, it's ultra lightweight. The model weighs under 25 megabytes. Can you believe it? 25 megabytes. These days, when models are in multiple hundred gigabytes, we have a model here which is only 25 megabytes. You don't need a powerful graphics card to run it. It's designed to run on any device. That means you can use it on an old low-end laptop, a Raspberry Pi, your mobile, or even a wearable device like smartwatch, smart glasses, even web browsers. This one is interesting because this means web applications can provide text-to-speech functionality without any server-side components, being private in the browser. It's also an ideal candidate for various embedded systems. Imagine your microwave talking back to you when it's done cooking your food. That would be wild, wouldn't it? Now, it's not just a small model that is of cheap quality. It has a lot of high-quality voices, and don't let the size fool you. It's optimized for real-time speech synthesis, so you won't be waiting around for your audio to generate. So that's it. Let's get started and install this thing. Let me open up my terminal. First off, you will need Python 3.10. That's the Python version where it works the best and easiest to set up. Setting up is easy. You need a Python environment with Python 3.10. So in my case, I will use UV to set up my Python environment. If you don't have UV set up, I would recommend watching my other video for UV setup somewhere here, and then come back to this video once you're done and have your UV already set up. Let me go ahead. So I would initialize the project using UV. I'll create a virtual environment with Python 3.10. So now this environment is created. Let me activate it. So to install it, it's pretty straightforward. I just copy this pip install command, and since I am running it inside my UV environment, I would add a UV prefix and then type my pip install. It will resolve the dependencies and try to install all the dependencies. It could take a while, so be patient, let it run. Okay, looks like it's installed Kitten TTS, and we can check all the installed packages, and you can find Kitten TTS along with all its dependencies that are installed. So there is an example here that tells us how to import Kitten TTS from Hugging Face and then run a generation step or creating an audio from a text. I have a slightly modified version of this example on my file. I would like to use that. The reason being, I have slightly modified it, and I'll show you what's modified in just a second. Let me open up my terminal IDE. So this is NeoVim. If you're interested In using this and setting it up, I have another video that shows how to set up NeoVim along with these themes and plugins with NVChad, and that tells you how to set it up. So this is the file, slightly modified version of this example here. I've imported Kitten TTS, loaded the model, and inside this function I have wrapped all the processing for generation of speech. It's because I wanted to time this function, so I put everything inside this particular function and then run this together. So let's try to run this. So let me start by activating my environment. Run with TTS, and this would first load the model, and we can also check our activity monitor to see if we can get some GPU history. So this is my GPU history, and as you can see, it's not changing much because it's a very tiny model of 25 megabytes, so it wouldn't take up any of this GPU memory. So why is it taking too long for the first time is it will download all these files from Hugging Face, and now it has generated. So the generation took around 1.7 seconds, and let's hear what it looks like. So if you want to run a sound file or a wave file, as you can see, there is a output.wave file that is saved from this script, and if you want to run this directly on your Mac without using any software, you can use this afplay command, and that plays the sound on your...
This is a new channel by NoobMLDude. Please subscribe to see more content like this. It would help you stay updated about latest AI technical news and try some hands-on AI experiments.
When you try it for any serious transcription and synthesis for long text, just a word of warning. I tried it for my video to generate speech for the video, and I encountered some errors, something that looks like this. So it would read something around the lines of invalid expand shape, and this issue seems to come up when you try it with longer texts. And there is a comment on Hacker News by the builders of this model that they do not have chunking enabled yet. So they will add it soon, which will remove the length limitations. And in the absence of chunking, what it means is you need to do the chunking yourself. So if you are working with a long file of text, then instead of passing the entire file to the generate function, you would need to pass it chunk by chunk in a loop individually. So which would generate multiple wave files, and then you can combine them together to generate your final audio file, which is still possible. So just wanted to warn you of that in case you get into that issue. And there you have it, Kitten TTS. It's a fantastic tool, and this opens up the door for a lot of possibilities for developers like me, or for content creators, and for anyone who wants to experiment with text-to-speech on the go. Imagine paying dollars for subscriptions that help you do this. You can do this now on your laptop for free in a private way. It's the small size, the CPU friendliness, all of this make it perfect fit for a wide range of projects and for a wide range of people, from simple apps to embedded systems. So try it out, enjoy, let me know in the comments how it went. And just so you know, this is just the first preview model. The KittenML team plans to release a slightly bigger, fully trained model weights along with some SDKs and a web version. So look out for that as well. Once it's out, I would try to make a video around that as well. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more content on AI and technology. Then I'll see you in the next one.